Hi guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more over on my blog, chaoticcritic.com. The link is always in the description box. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is another edition in my Planning for 2020 series. If you're new to the channel, I'll have the series linked in its entirety in the description box, along with other related videos. But in a nutshell, this series features videos with tips and tricks on how to help you choose the right planner in the new year, which will ultimately help you crush your goals. Now, I have been showing a lot of planner systems. I've showed ring bound, I've talked about traveler's notebooks, I've talked about my planner of choice, which is the half letter disc bound planner from Staples. I have all the information on this in the description box, but I wanted to show a more budget friendly option, but also take it way back to the basics, that you don't need a fancy planner to tackle your task at hand. So that brings me to today's video, which is a DIY on transforming a one subject wide ruled notebook. It could be college ruled depending on what's your paper preference, but a one subject notebook 8 by 10.5 inches into a planner. Yes, that's right. These notebooks you can get during back to school for not just less than $1, but less than 25 cents. Okay, less than 25 cents. So I've had this one laying around and I've had ideas on what I've wanted to do with this. I've gone ahead and set this up for the month of January and also did some layouts of December. So I've done pen to paper and then I've also done decorative planning. So just to show you guys both options, but the ultimate goal is to show you how you can transform this regular notebook into a productive tool, being your planner. So say goodbye to this orange cover. We're going to start off with decorating it, and I'm going to use a piece of scrapbook paper. Now, these notebooks often come in a variety of colors. You can also spend a little bit more and get them already with a pattern on them. And if you want to personalize it, you can put a label sticker and write your name, what have you. I'm going to go ahead and just use some scrapbook paper that I have, and then we'll jump into the layouts. Okay, so I went ahead and took a piece of 8.5 by 11 scrapbook paper and just literally lined it up to the edge of the coil and used double stick tape to tape it down. I'm first going to go over the layouts that are just pen to paper, and then I'm going to show you a more decorative option. So starting off, we have the month and then the dates to remember and to do. This is like your dashboard page of what you would create for the month. Now, option 1 is to use a key. I used a $ for payday, a dot for birthdays, an asterisk for holidays, and then an exclamation point for bills. Option 2 would be to color code. So I just underlined orange for bills, and then I highlighted with green payday. And then putting that over in the key would be the same. You can literally just put that and write in what it means in correlation with your calendar. And I decided to go ahead and skip a line. Of course, you can put a calendar on 2 pages, however you like, but I do like this dashboard style layout because you're able to see the month at a glance, but then you can also make use of the space with the key and maximize it, and then further explain in the space below. So in the dates to remember, I had asterisks for New Year's Day, Martin Luther King Day, my nephew's birthday. A to-do list for the month, you can simply put your top priorities, but I would put on the back have more space for notes, or you can turn this into a financial overview, which will take the bills that you had in the key here. It will take the bills and further explain what is what. I also love having a goals page. You can put your goals, however many you want for the month. I like to keep my goals between 1 through 5. They're more tangible for me to accomplish that way. So you can have goals and then actionable steps, or you can have the goal and then the actionable step to accomplish it and list them that way. Now we're going to get into the week on one page. I love the Hobonichi style where you have the days of the week to the left, and then on the right side of the page you have an open space. And in the setup over here, I just wrote the week of on the top line, spaced this out for Monday through Sunday, and you can also start on Sunday. I am a Monday start kind of person. Put the dates here. Now this is a great spot to put reminders. You can also put positive affirmations, daily gratitude, scripture, highlights of the day. If you don't plan on using this as a straight up, this is just to do productive, but you want it to double as a memory planner, which is what I love about notebooks and more journal style planning, is that you have the space to do both planning and memory planning in the same spread. Now on the right side of the page, you can put a running to-do list where you can also categorize your to-dos, which I do all the time. Trackers, your workout, meal prep or grocery list, notes. And then you can leave the back of the page similar to the monthly. You can leave the back of the page for more space throughout the week to have any notes or what have you. Then we're going to get into the next layout, which is the week on 2 pages. Now this I just separated. I forgoed that there was margins anyway. Who cares about margins? Live beyond the margins. And I just broke this into Monday through Sunday, and I split the weekend Saturday through Sunday. Now ways to lay this out: you can do an hourly, you can do your top 3 and then break up your day however else. Another way is to time block. I love Jordan Page. I'm obsessed with like Fun Cheap or Free, her YouTube channel right now. And she talks about time blocking. And it's one thing that going into the new year, I'm going to give a try over just regular hourly. With time block, you basically section off your day and you write down everything you want to get done in that time block, and you stick to that. When you're done with that time block, you move on to the next one, and then if you have time later in the night, you go back through and shift things down if you need to. I'll link her video below if you guys want more on time block. And she's actually going to be releasing a planner with the time block layout. But to do it yourself, you just basically set your time frames. So for instance, 6 to 8 a.m. a morning routine, and you'd put everything else you want to do in that 2 hours. And then this is a big window, 9 to 5 work, but you can make the sections smaller. So if you have meetings or if you are working at home, for me, I work in and out of my house, but I'm always back and forth. Time blocking is great because I do freelancing, and it's just a good way for me to really not just keep track of my hours when I'm not digitally logging them, but to really make the most use of my time with all the other projects I have going on. And then at the end of the day, you can put like 7 to 9 with your evening routine, dinner, workout, me time, and then what time you want to get to bed. That's another thing I want to start setting for myself as a bedtime. But anyway, so that's one way to do it. And again, with the time intervals, you make them what works for you. It doesn't have to be a set thing. Like with hourly, the hours are already set there regardless of the layout that you're going with. There's a lot of different hourly variations out there, which I love, but the thing about time block is you set the time yourself with what is going to work best for you that day. So from day to day, your time block may not be the same. Then there is the other version of the week on 2 pages. I did share cloth and paper. Before I even had cloth and paper, this grid-like layout is very, very common. Now you could do Monday through Wednesday, then Thursday through Sunday, top and bottom, or you can do Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on this side, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday on this side. And then having this little box over here sets you up for the week as for what your intentions are for the week, your top priorities, things that do not have a specific day to get done. And then last but not least, we have the daily, and it is the hourly or the time block on this side, and then a running to-do list, which you can categorize into sections. You can also add affirmations here, your gratitude, what you're watching, what you're eating. Your dailies are really up to you, but I would definitely add in a time manager of some sort into your daily for sure. So the first part that I showed you guys was simply creating a planning system with just pen to paper. Now for those that want a more decorative touch, or you have a lot of stickers you want to use in your stash, or you just like stickers in general, this next setup is for you. So similar to the monthly layout, you would replace the written portion with alpha stickers and number stickers. I did not sit here and lay all of them down. One, I don't have alpha stickers for Sunday through Saturday in my little calendar. And with these nails, honey, that wasn't getting laid down. But that is an option for you to replace that. And then down here, you can use stickers to make the categories that you want. Similar to the monthly, how you would write it out. The stickers are just another option for you to create your own sections. For the goals page, same thing. So here's a sticker that says my goals, and I just listed 1, 2, 3. And then this one just says set goals. You write your goal here. And then this is an action plan sticker. You put the goal and then you can list the steps to accomplish that goal. And this is a happy planner sticker. And then for a decorative touch, a little quote at the bottom. Getting into the weekly layouts, same thing with the pen and paper. You just put the week of, that Hobonichi style, Monday through Sunday, or if you prefer a Sunday start, whichever. And then I decided to go over here and categorize some things. So to do notes and then to trackers. Then for the week on 2 pages, this is basically my spread from this past week for the week of December 16th. So this was using an hourly format for this portion of the week and how I would use that. I do like putting my TV shows in, period, when my spreads. Another way to time block if you're not using just a regular line is to use washi tape. Washi tape is great for that, as well as, of course, just a little decorative touch. Then over here on the second half of the week with Saturday and Sunday split, I did go ahead and put a little weekend sticker. This is just a rundown of the day. So the plan, and then I have some checklists. I don't forget for my work schedule, a note to myself that I went to dinner, and then I put in payday. Now, I love these Happy Planner stickers where they already have the hourly blocked in for you. So this is great for those smaller, more template-like spreads if you're looking for width, I should say. If you're looking to figure out just how wide a section should be, these stickers are great for that kind of eyeballing it without drawing lines in between. And then I just put a sticker for top priority of what I wanted to get done. Now I also have this sticky note here. This one happens to be from Fox and Pip. You can use any kind of sticky notes that you want. You can get them at the Dollar Tree. The great thing about having a sticky note throughout a week on 2 pages where you don't have that designated spot for what you have going on for the week is you just list everything here, and then you can plug it in on particular days and you move around as needed. Then back to that grid, I went ahead and put Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Love, love, love this. And then over here I do have this week. Again, the configuration of this can change depending on how you want to set it up. Then for the week on 1 page, I went ahead and did 2 other options for you. For just pen to paper, you would have running to-dos over here and categorize if you choose. And then on this side, you could put trackers, notes, memory planning, gratitude, highlights, positive affirmations, what you're watching, meal prep for the week, your workout. Then as far as the stickers, here's an option of categorization for your for what you need to get done. And then if you have a grocery list, a chore list, what you're watching for the week, there you have it. And again, leave that back space blank for more space for you to add more during the week if you need to. I would say to leave the space rather than not have it. Then here is what a daily would look like with stickers. Again, there's the washi tape, my running to-do list for the day, and then I put the affirmation over here. I love Posh Plans, Pasha on Instagram, her affirmations, and then I put a little TV sticker here, and then I put in that I am on vacation from work until January 2nd, 2020. So that is that. I hope that you guys found this video helpful. My goal was to give you a visual aid that you do not need a fancy, lavish planner to create a planning system that will ultimately help you crush your goals, accomplish your day-to-day tasks, and just get things done. So I gave you a pen to paper option as well as one with stickers, and I would love to hear from you guys in the comments if you have any other ideas to share. This is one of many budget-friendly options that I will be bringing to the channel throughout the upcoming year going forward. If you guys would like to see real-time plan with me's in this kind of design, let me know. I also have a video where I have it on a smaller scale in these B6 notebooks that you can get from Michael's. So I have videos walking through all of this. I'll have it linked in the description box for you to check out, but it's ultimately the same thing. Yes, this is lined paper. Yes, I transformed it into a planner. Yes, it's productive, and I hope that you find it useful. If you have any other questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section. Of course, check out the description box, which will have the links to the Planning for 2020 series, as well as other related videos and links to products that I feature in videos. And of course, the links to my blog and Instagram. The blog is chaoticcritic.com. My Instagram is @chaoticcritic. If you're not subscribed to the Chaotic Critic fam, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And for all of you that are a part of the Chaotic Critic fam, I thank you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.